हो गया कार दिल तू ना एस्कोबार चक्या दसो किने पिंजरे च शेर डकया बिग स्टेप राने चकने स्टेप नी तेरे शहर विच खाली करनी गलप नी एक जीप खड़ी मेरी थाने दे विच बदले दे मैं दो लाइना नी मैं डाकू नी मैं डाकू एक नंबर दा हां जेड़ी चीज ते आखे ओ खो लेना नी मैं डाकू एक नंबर दा हां जेड़ी चीज ते आखे ओ खो लेना.
So today we are here to talk about a yellow Willys which we made. Okay, we have selected the theme as a yellow Bumble Bee. Okay, it's got a wide tires. It's got Toyota 3C turbo engine mainly with automatic gearbox, so that there is no issue about the gear shifting things and all. Okay, brakes have been advanced, lights have been advanced. We mostly use it for off-roading, so we take it to a farmhouse, and wherein on the way there are many cattle, so we have introduced even a dog horn over it, so that cattle can go away just with a button touch. Okay, so that there is less nuisance, right? Then we have a bar light over here installed. The same bar light is installed at the bottom as well, which flashes. So when you are traveling at night, it flashes. You are very much visible because these are wide tires. You need to take care of the public as well on the road. So we don't use it much on the road, but we use it mostly off-roading. Okay, now I'll show you some more things about the car. That is, it's got all these amazing accessories installed in it. Moreover, it's got something more modernized, that's Momo Italy steering wheel. Okay, it's got all the switches and ambience lights installed as well. Moreover, there is an extra fuel tank installed on the car, so that if you are going off-roading, mainly people use it for off-roading. So if you're going off-roading and you don't have a petrol pump, so you can use the fuel saved in this car, in this tank. Okay. And overall it's an original Willys, so it gives you a fabulous short experience, a short car experience, and very easy to drive around. It's lovely, it's amazing, it makes my morning good. So few more things I need to tell you. It's got a foldable glass over here which opens up this way, and you can put it down over here with the support installed over here. It's got all golden emblems and all brass accessories. Okay, moreover there are many attachments wherein you can put flags and all installed, so that you can go to the rally when there is an election, obviously if you are from a political family. Most of the Jeeps have this drums installed. These is got a special set of Mac wheels installed, and hence it gives very good experience on performance points. You can rave this car at good speed also, and it's still in control, not like other Jeeps which have all the retro installed only and all the old thing only used. It becomes unsafe for driving these days. So come to Kanshil Customs, let us build some modernized Jeeps for you and use it safely on the road.
High profile की करनी चन्नी नत ता लो रहिंदा नी तेरा मोके वाला लो रहिंदा मैं डाकू एक नंबर दा हां जेड़ी चीज ते आखे ओ नी मैं डाकू एक नंबर दा हां जेड़ी चीज ते आखे ओ खो लेना नी मैं डाकू एक नंबर दा हां जेड़ी